Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this though, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and welcome and thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. And yeah, I just want you to know that I do appreciate each and every one of you. So, with that being said, let's talk about this bag that's sitting here. Alright, so this is from Diamondartgift. And I just want to say thank you to Diamondartgift for sending this stuff to me to show to all of y'all. I really appreciate it. And y'all, you need to check out their website, because when I was on there looking, they have got a lot of good stuff on there. A lot of neat stuff. They're very budget friendly. And yeah, you really need to check them out. So, the first thing that I got are these 2-pack of these. I hope my light is good. I did get me a new light, and I'm still learning, trying to adjust it, but these are those little screw-in replacements for your pen, so that you can pick up specials, and well, you can use it for your regular drills, but it's best to use these on your ABs and your specials. So these are called a 2-pack, or well, 2-piece paint drill pen replacement clay wax. Now, like I said, I got these in black. Excuse me. And they come two, but they do have different colors. I think they had green, they had yellow, I think there was pink and blue, I think. But these were only $1.99. Okay? So I didn't think that was too bad at all. And I'll have these for when my pen needs to have the replacement changed on it. So I thought that was pretty neat that they had these for $1.99. So I'm just going to set those to the side. And let's look at this. Let's see if I can open it. Well, you know what? Let's look at this one first, because this one is open, because I had to check and see where it was coming from. So, this is a round poured glue, and it does come with your regular toolkit of the green boat, the pink wax, and a pink pen. And look at these colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, and this is a very stiff canvas. So I'm just going to kind of roll it backwards. Try to get it straightened out some. So what did I pick? Y'all, looky here. Looks just like my booger. Except for Booger's got more white in his face than this one does. But I thought this was so cute. And it is all crystal, y'all. The whole thing is crystal. Now, there are 26 colors. And I cannot wait to do this. So, it has on the bags, it has the number of the kit. So, if you store these elsewhere, there's the numbers. That way you'll know that these drills go with this. So, this is a 30 by 40. And like I said, there's 26 colors in this. And we're going to go through these real quick. We've got purple. there are 2 things of the black. And then we've got, looks like 2, nope, just 1 of this color black crystal, and then we've got this color black, and then a very light gray. We've got some gold, some red, a big old bag of yellow, some orange, and these are some silver. We've got blue, a very light blue, a dark blue. We've got a light green, a dark green, a little bit of a lighter green. We have a orangey pinkish, and we have pink. We have blue, a light blue, purple. There is a very light blue. There's another bag of yellow, purple. We've got white, and then we've got these big yellow. Okay, so on Diamond Art Gift, this is called a full crystal puppy. Now, this was $7.99. It is very sticky. And as you can see, the drill field is very clear, y'all. There's where the big yellow ones go. It's on those flowers right there. But yeah, I cannot wait to do this one. I thought it was so pretty. I've seen others do this. I don't remember who it was. But I do know that there's been a couple other people do this one. And when I seen it, I had to have it. And this is the first time I have found it on one of these sites. And like I said, this is on Diamond Art Gift. And this is $7.99 for a full crystal. That is not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. So I'm going to set him to the side. And we're going to look at this other one. And, oh, well, the other end is open. Because I have not looked at this one. I didn't notice that this end was open and taped. Alright, so this one is another 30 by 40. And comes with your regular toolkit. And these are already bagged up in baggies. And it looks like it has the DMC numbers listed on the bag. It has the number. It has the size of the canvas. And it looks to have the canvas number. I'm not going to take all of these out, but let me spread them out. That way we can see what colors are in here. Very cute, very pretty colors. Alright, so I'm going to turn or roll this one back. And this one is a round pour drill. And this one is a gorgeous girl. I told you they weren't all going to be gorgeous girls. But this one has got 23 colors. And the DMC numbers are on the schematic. And we are working with all letters. And then it has the thumbnail up at the top. It has the item number and the size. We have a schematic on the top left and the bottom right. Very sticky. And it has a sparkly canvas, if y'all can see that. I don't know if that'll pick up or not. But as you can see, she has butterfly wings. She's got her black dress on. She's got some butterflies up here. She's got a daisy chain around her head. And her little stockings and shoes. But this one is called Full Round Little Girl, 30 by 40, and she was $4.99. So, yeah. Very nice canvases. Very nice. And you can see, too, that where her dress is all black, they have a light colored letter. And the drill field is very clear. It's very clear. So, this is what I got from Diamond Art Gift. And like I said, I thought this was a very good site. And right now, they have got a buy 3, get 1 free. And they also have a limited time 70% off their shipping. So that's pretty cool. And they've got all kinds of stuff too. They have got tools for diamond painting. They have got off canvas. They've got mystery kits. You name it, they've got it. So thank you to Diamond Art Gift for allowing me to show these to my subscribers. I appreciate it. And y'all go over there and check them out, and I will have the description or the links to these products and the website in my description box. So y'all need to head over there and check them out. Diamond Art Gift. So, alright y'all, I hope you liked what you seen on here, and leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all thought, and until my next video, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.